and improvements to achieve customers' request, to adapt the market rapid changes ever since its foundation. AB Cloud Smartwatches Associate Factory owns 2 modern assembly watches production lines. There is an automatic hand-setting equipment for each. They have around 70 skilled hands-assembling workers in total. The maximum daily productivity for each workshop is 8,000 pieces watches. They can finish 380,000 pieces watches each month. Advantages: 1. A smartwatch company. From our associate factory, get the BSCI certificate. This is very important for a real watch factory. 2. As for all the watches, what they produce can pass the CE, ROHS, REACH certificate test. They also have the certificate for some models. 3. They have many cooperation famous brands. 4. They have over many years manufacture, OEM, ODM experiences in watches, and over 2 years export experience with their strong power. They trust will be your choice in watches. Since the very first day when their business was launched, AB Cloud has been adhering to the principle of integrity, credibility, and win-win success. Choose AB Cloud. Choose your faithfully business partner.